Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So for those who are seeing me for the first time, my name is Snigdha Bhatnagar, and as all you know, summers are here. So today I am going to show you how to make the perfect mango shake. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and comment down below your suggestions. And let's not waste more time and see what you will need. First of all, the ingredients you will need are mango pulp, chilled milk, Rooafzaa, cashew nut, raisins, and powdered sugar. All the measurements are in the description box below. So let's get started. Now we will take a jar and add the mango pulp and we will blend this for 2 to 3 minutes. When your pulp is blended properly, now we will add milk, chilled milk, ice cubes, and sugar. Now we will again blend this very nicely. The shake is ready, as you can see. Now we will transfer this in a glass. First we will add some Rooafzaa in the bottom. And now we will add the mango shake. For serving, I like to add some vanilla ice cream on the top and cashew nuts, raisins, and few drops of Rooafzaa and add a straw.